Well, boys and girls, what we are watching here is the local electric company is replacing these high tension power lines, or I should say the poles for these high tension power lines. They're changing out the wooden poles for steel. And what they're doing is they're running an auger here, cutting a hole for the footings for the new steel posts. They're then going to take that steel tube, put it in the hole, and fill it with cement, I do believe. And I'm sure most of you have seen these kind of augers, handheld versions. Well, this is a serious, big version. Just thought I'd bring you out here to see what's going on. Fortunately, I am so pleased they put this slab road in from the other end of the road on which I'm living. I come and go from that direction over there. They brought it in from the other end, and that's as far as they're going with it. Because between there and the main road down there, there are no more poles at all, let alone poles to be replaced. Now, they may replace that pole way over there, but that's on the other side of the main road from me. And that's fine, because they'll put their pallet road in from there, and they won't come through here. Because if they put that pallet road all the way through here where I'm living, I wouldn't be able to come and go. I'd be stranded in here, or stranded out and not be able to get back into my shelter. So, this is just great. I can sit here and watch these boys work. Okay, they've changed the head on that rig. They took off the auger bit and they put on this thing that makes it look like an upside down T. And they're spinning that down into the hole. And that I don't get. That I just don't understand. I don't know what they're doing. Unless there's already a piece of that metal pipe already in the hole and they're pushing it further down into the hole. That's the only thing I can think of that they're doing. And then the auger from the inside of the pipe. That's all I can think of is what's going on here. And so now that thing is shoving it down into the hole even deeper. And then they'll auger out the center of it again. So hang on a minute. They're pulling it back up, and we'll take a look at the piece that they're pulling up out. See? It's just like a T-head. I suspect that's what that is. They were shoving another piece of pipe down into the hole. Now they're going to drop the T-head, pull a pin, off it comes, and then they're going to put the auger back on. Boy, howdy. I called that one, didn't I? Auger goes back on, pin goes back in, retaining clevis goes on, and then the auger goes back down in the hole. Auger go down in the hole. Those of you who have young kids will recognize that statement. Okay, clean the dirt off the auger. Well, is he going to put it back down in the hole? I remember back when I knew this fella in Ithaca, New York, and he went in to fix a place where a college kid had put his head through the underside of a stairwell, because that's where the kid had his bed, was under the stairwell. And the kid sat up and put his head through the sheetrock, and this guy points to the damage, and he goes, "Hole, big fucking hole." Well, I think this is an even bigger hole. That guy, he was something else. Well, boys and girls, that's all.
By the way, don't forget to